Are you tired of dealing with clutter and junk in your home or business? Look no further. Introducing Snap Junk Removal, your trusted partner in dumpster rental in Houston, Texas. At Snap Junk Removal, we understand that sometimes you need to get rid of unwanted items, and we're here to make the process easy and hassle-free. Whether it's old furniture, appliances, construction debris, or any other junk, our experienced team will remove it quickly and efficiently. But that's not all. We also offer dumpster rental services in Houston, Texas. If you're planning a renovation, cleanout, or construction project, our dumpsters are the perfect solution to keep your space organized and junk-free. We're not just about removing junk, we're also committed to protecting the environment. We recycle and dispose of items responsibly, so you can feel good about choosing Snap Junk Removal. With Snap Junk Removal, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We take pride in providing exceptional service every time. Our friendly and professional team arrives promptly and handles everything, so you don't have to lift a finger. Ready to schedule your junk removal or rent a dumpster in Houston, Texas? Visit our website at www.snapjunkremoval.com or give us a call at 281-610-6682. Say goodbye to the clutter and hello to a cleaner, more organized space with Snap Junk Removal. Snap Junk Removal, your trusted partner for junk removal and dumpster rental in Houston, Texas.